Hey friends, my name is Jed Dorsey and I am inviting you to my Cole Art Studio workshop, which is called Bold and Expressive Color. I'd love for you to join us. It's going to be happening on April 10th and 11th. That's a Friday and a Saturday. But we have a trial run. If you're interested but you're not quite sure what it's going to be like or whether it would be a good fit for you, then I invite you to come this Saturday. We're doing a trial run at 10 o'clock, April 4th. And you can just kind of test it out and see. It's going to be a good time. I'm really actually excited about it. I know this is a new time for all of us and we're a little bit like hesitant with stuff and we don't know what it's going to be like. But this is going to be really fun. And I hope that you will take the chance and you come and you join me on this trial run and then you'll make the plunge. We're going to have a good time together. There's going to be interactive times where we're all together kind of in Zoom meetings. There's going to be times when we're giving a live demonstration. There's going to be times when I'm giving you personal feedback. So I really hope that you join me for this trial run on Saturday, and then we'll have this great workshop together on April 10th and 11th. So I look forward to seeing you there.